So you're saying that by removing that perceived safety net, we're essentially forcing ourselves to innovate more, to problem solve more intensely, and to push harder on our primary goal with an almost singular focus.
Exactly. Think of it like burning the boats, a strategy famously used by Hernan Cortés. When you land on enemy shores and burn your boats, there's no retreat. Your only option is to push forward and conquer. In a personal or career context, this doesn't mean recklessness. It means channeling all your energy, your intellectual capital, and your problem-solving abilities into making your chosen path work. When failure isn't an option, when the only way out is through, you often find solutions and tap into reserves of ingenuity you never knew existed. It's about unlocking peak performance through necessity.